Now this is the title of the presentation, Sanatana Dharma. It has two parts. Part one is principles and practices, and part two is Swadharma Nitya Karma Anusthana. Prayer for purification. This is a prayer for purification of speech. Now the emphasis is on purification or pavitrata. Ambate charanadvandvam alambe brahmana priye sthitva me manasambhoje punihi vachanam mama. Now I'll give the English translation. Amba means mother. Alambe, I seek support and protection. Te charanadvandvam, from your 2 feet. Brahmana priye, O Brahma's beloved. Sthitva, seated. Me manasambhoje, in the lotus of my mind. Punihi, purify. Mama vachanam, my speech. This prayer, sloka, was written by my brother, Lanka Krishnamurti. Lanka Krishnamurti, as you know, is a man of very great character. Whenever I think of him, I become immediately aware of the wonderful facets of his personality. He was very simple, honest, straightforward, loving, caring, and compassionate. He was a traditionalist with a modern outlook. And this is a very important thing that I noticed in him. He followed the tradition, the Vedic tradition, but he was open to new ideas. And then he was prepared to adapt himself to the changing situations. He was a profound scholar, proficient in 3 languages, Sanskrit, Telugu, and Kannada. And he was the author of many works which were very thought-provoking. And in addition, he was a great artist, a lover of art, particularly music. And above all, he was a committed activist who promoted values of Sanatana Dharma. And he inspired thousands of people to understand and follow dharmic values. And to do this, he instituted one Sanatana Dharma Samrakshana Samsthe, and to propagate the values of Sanatana Dharma, he ran a paper, as all of you know, that Dharma Prabha. Now let us try to understand some basic principles of Sanatana Dharma. Now let us go back to the Vedic days. Whenever the brahmacharis completed their Vedic studies, they were given an instruction, the post-instruction Vedic advice, as it is called. Now, Veda manuchya acharyo antevasina manushasti satyam vada dharmam chara swadhyayan ma pramadaha. Speak the truth. Practice dharma. Then don't deviate from study. Now I want you to concentrate on these 3 aspects of the instruction. One is speaking the truth. The other thing is practicing dharma. And the third one is study. Now 3 faculties in our body are engaged here. One is the speech, the second one is the action, and the third one is your mind, your thinking. Now these are the 3 important dimensions of our body. We have the physical body to act, we have the speech faculty, and then we have the mind to think. Now, how to practice this dharma? And what happens if we practice it? And what happens if we don't practice it? Now, we go back to Manudharma Shastra, and there you find this sloka. Dharma eva hato hanti, dharmo rakshati rakshitaha. The first part of it says, Dharma eva hato hanti. That is, if dharma is not respected, if dharma is not practiced, if one kills dharma, then dharma kills him. Dharma hato hanti. When dharma is killed, it kills the person who kills dharma. And then we have the classic example of the Mahabharata, where the adharma that was practiced by the Kauravas led to a large-scale destruction and then their total destruction. Whereas, if you respect dharma, if you follow dharma, dharma will protect you. And we have the classic example of Sri Rama in the Ramayana. Now, he followed dharma. Now, at every instance, he acted according to dharma. And thereby, now we have that famous saying, Ramo Vigrahavan Dharmaha. He is the very embodiment of dharma. Therefore, this is the importance and value of dharma. That if you respect it, it will save you. If you decline it, if you destroy it, it will destroy you.